The race for longer-lasting smartphones just got a major update, and Google's Pixel 10 series is leading the charge. But here's where it gets controversial. While the battery sizes are bigger, the real-world performance doesn't always match the numbers. Let's dive into the details and unpack what this means for users, and why some might be scratching their heads. Recent regulatory filings from the EU, spotted by YTechB, confirm the battery capacities for the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL. The numbers are all up compared to their predecessors, but the story isn't as simple as bigger is better. For the base Pixel 10, the battery jumps from 4,700 mAh to 4,970 mAh, while the Pro model sees a modest increase to 4,870 mAh. The Pro XL, however, takes the crown with a 5,200 mAh battery, up from 5,060 mAh. On paper, these upgrades look impressive, but let's not forget, milliampere hours is just one piece of the puzzle. Real-world usage, software optimization, and hardware efficiency also play critical roles. The EU's energy efficiency ratings add another layer to the conversation. The Pixel 10 series earns either an A or B grade, factoring in lifespan, durability, and repairability. The base Pixel 10 scores a B, a slight dip from the A of the Pixel 9, even though its rated capacity, 4,835 mAh, aligns closely with the advertised 4,970 mAh. Meanwhile, the Pro models shine brighter. The Pixel 10 Pro retains an A with a 4,707 mAh battery, and the Pro XL lands a B with 5,078 mAh. But here's the twist. The Pro XL's estimated runtime actually drops from 4930 on the Pixel 9 Pro XL to 4839. Could this be a design trade-off? Or is there a hidden flaw we're missing? And this is the part most people miss: repairability improvements. Both the Pro and Pro XL models upgraded from a C to a B in repairability scores compared to last year. While the exact changes remain under wraps, this shift suggests Google is making incremental progress in making devices easier to fix. That's a win for sustainability advocates, but critics might argue it's not enough. After all, a B grade still falls short of the ideal A for true repair-friendly design. All three devices also pass rigorous durability tests, surviving 270 free-fall drops and maintaining battery health through 1,000 charge cycles. That's a solid promise for longevity, but how does it translate to everyday use? Only time will tell. The Pixel 10 series launches on August 20th, and the buzz is already building. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Check out the latest leaks on Key 2 charging, official case designs, and color options. And don't forget to weigh in. Do you think the battery upgrades justify the price tag? Or are we seeing another case of marketing math? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Follow Ben on Twitter, X, Threads, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates. Add 9 to 5 Google to your Google News feed for real-time tech news. FTC, we use income-earning affiliate links. More details here.